If your check engine light just came on and you're seeing the P0299 code, don't ignore it. This code means your engine isn't getting the boost pressure it expects from the turbocharger or supercharger. In simple terms, your turbo system is underperforming, which can lead to serious power loss and poor engine performance. Some of the most common symptoms of a P0299 code include reduced engine power, sluggish acceleration, limp mode, and of course, an illuminated check engine light. In many cases, the car may feel noticeably slower than usual, especially during acceleration or highway driving. Now let's go over the most common causes of the P0299 code and what you should check first. Welcome back to Car Care Fix, the channel where we uncover hidden car problems, simple maintenance tricks, and money-saving tips every driver should know. The number one cause is a boost leak. If there's a cracked boost hose, loose clamp, split intake pipe, or damaged intercooler, pressurized air can escape before it reaches the engine. Even a small leak can dramatically reduce turbo boost and trigger the P0299 code. The second possible cause is a faulty wastegate. The wastegate controls turbocharger speed by redirecting exhaust gases away from the turbine. If the wastegate gets stuck open, the turbo won't be able to build enough pressure, causing low boost conditions and setting the code. Another common issue is a bad boost control solenoid. This component controls pressure going to the wastegate. If the solenoid fails or sticks, the wastegate may not operate properly, resulting in weak turbo performance and underboost problems. The failing turbocharger itself can also trigger the P0299 code. Over time, turbochargers wear out due to heat and high RPMs. Problems like worn bearings, damaged turbine fins, oil leaks, or excessive shaft play can prevent the turbo from generating proper boost pressure. Most turbochargers last around 150,000 miles depending on maintenance and driving. Habits, faulty sensors are another possible cause. The map sensor or boost pressure sensor sends boost readings to the engine control module. If one of these sensors provides incorrect information, the ECM may falsely detect low boost pressure even when the turbo system is working correctly. You should also inspect the air intake system. A dirty air filter or restricted intake can reduce airflow entering the turbocharger, limiting boost and engine performance. Sometimes something as simple as a clogged air filter can contribute to the P0299 code. Finally, there's the possibility of an ECM issue. While it's rare, a faulty engine control module can sometimes misread sensor data or improperly control boost pressure. However, this should only be considered after all other components have been properly tested. If you're dealing with a P0299 code, start by checking for boost leaks, inspecting vacuum lines, and testing the wastegate and boost control solenoid before replacing expensive parts like the turbocharger. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Car Care Fix, and turn on notifications so you never miss another car-saving tip. Thanks for watching, drive safe, take care of your ride, and we'll see you in the next video right here on Car Care Fix.